name is Dr. Brian Stress. I'm a licensed psychologist. I've been working with children and families in a professional capacity for approximately 27 years at this point. One of the things that I'd like to share with the individuals who are watching this video or reading it is that depending on the research you read, roughly 50% of all marriages end in divorce. Most of those individuals, hopefully all of them, end up healing from that emotional wound and having a productive life. So there is hope. With time and effort, one can hopefully have a better life than prior to the divorce. Today's question is, what things should I or my child write down prior to seeing a professional for the first time? That's a good question. Prior to seeing a professional the first time, you can write down any questions you have at all. Anything related to specific behaviors of your children, emotions you may be witnessing with your children, and or possibly how you're experiencing the divorce and or your emotions. Quite frankly, how you respond to the divorce is going to affect directly how children respond to the divorce. More often than not, many, not all, but many of the children I've worked with, they try to end up protecting their parents based on how their parents are responding. So write down any questions you have when you have time. I realize you're probably very busy and life gets incredibly hectic, of course, when going through a divorce. There really is no dumb question. You can prevent, more likely than not, most of those questions were going to be answered by a competent professional to begin with, but certainly specifics are wonderful. We call it grist for the mill. It helps us understand exactly where you are in the process and where we can start to help you heal. So if you'd like to know more about my colleagues or me, please select the Meet the Staff tab on our homepage. Thank you for listening to today's question. We look forward to answering more of your specific questions. Please submit your questions in the Add Comment section at the end of each article on Facebook or in response to our newsletter. Thank you.
The materials provided in this article are for informational purposes only. Use of and access to this article or any of the links contained within the article or website do not create a relationship between the author and the user or browser. We are professionals that have been trained and have experience in assisting individuals going through a divorce. Please click on divorceintexas.org for information about this service as well as privacy policy and terms of use. We are not lawyers and do not provide legal advice.